Lama abongu notoma yang kangin roko jiseseni program kon la irabeta walk jani kine agine mukaga gaon san wongo la tupush ton sawani kanya pela paran yauni jo ari rucho kim kele ngaronon lego ikiti jo to my rabet ara loko la go ikiti to my rabet ara oto my boys na dijaje ro district akon ilo to matupu chana lo itatamia kirono kamera kele report lo pache tolo mutai ne todo tebe cheo to ma member no meli kutura kiroto agaone kolo na lo matara raberu karuje ilo idawangeta kine ilo ngon arija sachi no lamare bumba bongo kini na tete ingeta kine program kopana bali kura itata makira disnu sa jasi so masi otoma oibuga soroti general bombe iroko ni kerija ikida ya lamebe dumonde ibuga le polo toma ari lemejas lemeno be buga bonija taruno Uganda ngesi Kampala sodia karlo lukumi yare kina kaisare pona dumutu soroti da kape buga dumnete kuida gulu dumnete kuida barara sorry so kopana mejasi akaulo nasewo o karu aje o pone ejai emusagolo pona ngana diekedi kamera kede ingaru nelo soroti city east needa kopana oponi olachimera keroto musabita latubor ne balari adiekede be to bongo kinai asewo kotoma oingarno ne lo soroti city east agwekini tunga kotoma irabet mamne rai musodit atakanon kotoma oipuga ilo teso aro nani po nengeta kinera sewo ebetu bakeria kiroto mumusago ilo ni neroni anepa ne ijane ketungiare kolo honorable Violet Akuru te itute mojoda itubu yoda sewo karlo lukumya ketumna kanya kukono ngari yoda diekit iretije musago ala unikari uni honorable Polot itubu ya musago mamga badu me report bo itele ibiro ya sewo karlo lukumya ketumna kanya pe mamga badu me report bo bujo yoda diekit
mama ko ne nini
so korongo kwa nona itatama be akirokano na nduchuwa takano nata nunyo kati opiso ya unotomo ipuga helo teso nare wamwe rasi ya mutole jokuka age unijokele honorable Violet Akuru aparisha mwe itubu ya sewo ya ngare yo musago epona no buiti kokolojo
akoma temare esialamiti berebo tumalu tete TV is enjoy moderating program lo era date ijari yo kape narono tugijari yo okoti na so dit dawita ko ni pakile polo noi na rai uta ja na sesene da bonbe buni jo tele kare musago mo so you are running up and down do because the mama mja da me sipo inos apele na ibo kine jana ni kontuna kape be itori do because the giboro lui puli li twanya atijo no mami tepedo te ja so mojo and which I want to believe better niko pana MPs that we just see musago mo koti for example jana ino the people muni hapo nijeki na MPs ikapuna no to facilitate them agwele motokan bedote ana rangi yake to constituency kona soma konso ijoye ni just kare musago mamjo idumu ni paka ameta na kilo no ko musago yare kinyari ko no jadu mune lodi nucha ngario da gyara kwa nyaba ko do bero nda siponi boridio mamji idumu ne lodi mame banka lo je kinje lodi moni na ri je yo ko ti baka do bana je kina kurti kapuna etachi kwa na bie acha ko do je kapun ko na anyi ni tai muna je kulida de poli bikere bikapunu miki je banka de pole kerna da ja dawo ne musago bo ni ne banka kere ko da abu ne ni je yo be kwa na kutere mbi de asate na at least karu won like for me aje mo ko ti karu yare chebore je de at least karu biwe je ropi je patana je kana kutere lo ni won etachika de ke ropi so je challenges de je che program bi puda yo ti asobo constituency kwenye mamji pero tasto anwai siria to ya ta pasto na inyo na musago cheka pasaka bala ngamba chepa kipero ya rumelo ndingara isija some those personal projects chepa lupo constituency da kwenye na you cannot do them na rai achipa kikapu nulu idumune nejo rebo ya chapa na chapa plead that but again like you said this balancing I remember Jemo Koti I managed to do some projects for my people even when I was in court now I I was very confident the musago Jemo I was going to go through it. So to case it telecast your high court but appealed it because it was very clear, black and white. Lokara about they need to resign as a commissioner from Uganda Human Rights Commission, which yeah, so constitution as the name of the commission. I'm not a public servant, so I was not expected to resign. So I'm not it is even worse. And yet the electoral petitions, the petitions within a period of 6 months. These are very critical issues. Within Tila Kanyape, without a Musago Moon, a petition layer quoted you. Konye, it takes a caru 2 years. There are people that were in court for 4 or 5 years. They retarded the Musago out of Tabo. Now, what is the purpose? So, I be paying Mamji Napa Kini Costco, right? Yamada, right? Okay, Yama, or Waka Dao Bisho, so it disorganizes a pole bait or Jayan, and I pet in Wajata Rioti. And it negotiation no is our way. Lost your Cadicoli manifesto. This elder song, Buna, someone are returning up Buna. People actually have manifesto. I don't know what I when you do that, I would penally money. I can say, think I met at the party. Now tell me whether it took me a regular your quote. Poli jana boja wa momo ne manifesto was that ya momo ne puli down momo pone kwananya down ne musagolo. So that delays you and not better my bed you are as someone I can kontuna. So at the end of the day a pot assessment stand at another not because the mamji koten and konya na e waka I get a loss to go je do ko pe ya ka ya buyora buyora. You would for you the priority ko pa me ja so mesa on kesu me musago. So arenda ode musagi Italian no Italian ni chanja na loss no je meropota kiwe deni
aso akoro ngatuna hono polo ibiro yo aso karwe lukunya tuna kanyape anunye mamjo bolo sha usan kai mena taru chetu ngakene na usan
nara yomo arano bolo nilas kadara suba so alusion le ibura gino le kone betra ibura ngai somo ari te lasba ngane like so I didn't know that the problem is a big tool. This is no idea of Rabo Marasonga. Mana do tools.
That is true.
Mana do tools. Naya down guy. We will let them lose the Kwana. And Udo, Alaka Kwana.
So mimi ukabeni kuchengaruno ko aishisha anijayo.
Atekere. Kutoka jenu kaba teke na iteso nido betanze soma kada akalanta kada apele kinete le la masuban abi kakena makon papas ni jugundere jo papana kolo tuma bi grete mutejo mun grete lo se guru au shamuka toy ai tijilu je tuma ai kono ai erano ni mboko rana lu betalo sogiana na arai kesi mamejeni nile kaja utu utos kesi ratisi igori chokata kwiro podo doto kukwa dodo nunu zari nunu bana mame pro kai rauna raito because of the worries aya lona kwapo ai mo bele na igoro la kwapo ai te abara Presidente, mamãe presidente, aí já aqui. dumani nyo ko ya ro tawbe
Eba.
nyo ko ya ro tawbe o de ya so ba no ikenu
Ebo.
ikena na mo de ma le ka so nguru ko do de na de kan ni mo ta kan do le ko do de ikenu
Ebo.
ya nyo le ti dumana ni be na ai ba ga do ko de tu ko ti dumana ko rases ke ni duwe le so ti la so ba ke de sa pa ko na ma nge be ta ka do ta pa ko na permanently ika ko ta kawu aga so ba jasni ika ko me ko so na ke sa ra ke so ni ma ngi jaw be ya do le ni ya ro ni na ma je ke le ka tu ko ke do
Ebo.
Akadona Temare,
Yes, Robert.
maybe I would also be a good example of losing an election.
Ebo.
Now again, I saw Nabiana J 2011. I want to say in courts, I lost the elections. Now that there was all the evidence. But I say, now so Jabunga Tema, Abungo and Itilas, when I get no an opportunity to study to Nagukata quick, now I give an appellate. And indeed, I can be accountable. No Abunga had asked some when I got the chance to serve them. And I actually campaigning on that to come to 2016. But Mama so and indeed I had a job. I was a commissioner with Uganda Human Rights Commission. It was quite a big job. Konya bale tell bale jega le kota ipucha kinyo. And indeed, and I thank God and I never regret. I even when I lost in 2020, I spoke and I told it. I gave a radio, even CNN, but I feel proud that I served Tungal. I got the opportunity to serve Tungal Ukata Quick, and at least there's something that I can be proud of, I can show. But now I'm Ecolas, now I Ecolas. If I don't go over preparation and legislation, now I Ecolas, which was really an echo show. No. Yes, mwalimu kidogo mama asho man so kata we used to be malo and as a teacher I felt so bad about it. We can do something to improve this. So I forget that at least I made a contribution. But you feel proud because you made a contribution and people recognize me some other job. So when I contested in 2020, 2021, and of course, I actually made a couple of flag and the original elections I lost. And again I said, God, you gave me the chance to serve the people, and I'm so happy that indeed I served them. Now Temayo Yaundero shape, and I still thank you for that. And in the refugee camp, don't want to get the boy, but not a Poremo upbringing. Whatever the issues are. Mountain. And indeed, politics is oriented to Nigeria. This is what I want people to know. I really like your last one, damn, your last one, Kani. I call you when you're an able person. I really want to say, Nigeria. The one who is really able. When we will do survive, and I tell you, Mamma politics we can do any other work to serve our people. And I think this is not your company. Whenever I go to Katapi, I'm sorry to say this, but I would say, people were the other camp, they are so shocked. You see that comment. So it means we don't have to be desperate. And because I think and it was when you lose an election, instead now when they see me, I say, "Oh, na korimo, beba nesa na puto ika doni, mami benede no. Kodi na soni, what is wrong? I have puto ika dayo. The one na doni, na soni, inde uto ne COVID. Don't sleep beneda." But now they see the difference, and I think that is what people will appreciate. The politics is a service. When God gives you that opportunity, you need to serve them with your abilities. Why you get that? Yes, no, and they are able to give comparison.
Akorona inyo kabiboro koto maporo etwali ari katna teso ari atakini musago no kalwe bombo ya sewo inyo kwa ageono keledon bo oporot dona bume ya nwana
kwenye mbele ingeti mamo ine to yoga kron kana kala suruti suruti ni sasa yes no akiro dune musaga yes because the moment ni chakula jo kana mi okuyo aloye everything akulelo lolo kanangina kwa usifanye sekleji otoma aseana adopekana unapata kujado akibi ani kere dodo ya alama benale dodo pane ngalo ngalo ya alama dodo ya umuri
dodo kana kata araimamu kwiro Soroti City West anatosa wosan kata naje City East osoda je kare do karo bo wona layo biai e ko do wona ni wona ai chora ni do nowa urlerare MP the candidate the chaki Ibima kite buku pamda le ore bukulo kole urlerare bani
so yes no mario in area what do we lose in terms of kopana or ma ke ka be chana ko puga na le pari noi na imagine ibilioni bo bo be na so you go in and say for their incompetencies na I write electoral commission yes demarcating electoral areas now Parliament will have to appropriate Kapulu. We get electoral commission in Kapulu. Lutia beto take Morona Netia, and I babu the Severoi, and when you're going to sell, and it is going to be worse.
So tariki kwa namone pole akorona ile
Marungu sasa
alright, maybe I don't know whether it would be an oversight or overlooking. But era una boy na say let it not affect a city like we say, because it will bounce back when you get to when you come and it will bounce back Nigeria solo. Because all this money comes from the taxpayer. So I let mara you go in and say city kere, that is exactly what will happen. You'll have to appropriate a lot of money. We let you solo and when you go in and say but it will be relatively cheaper. And
we pray, It all of us let's pray. There are election will be peaceful. Ebu go sako, ako no yaka news. Ebu go ebu kikiosni. Na ko abuko, na ko pepa. Yako na kali tena.
Konye dobo wera adiekesh korona ngirun mame jaibura na kubenebe isettling the issue out of court.
Elections, there is nothing like settling off. No pe balabe elipata be nyena bongo na sewe sitekere. Ora unchati constituency do bon na konye arete mar nare kwana kwilule munijo oparishe za kwi ainyako lendo aseito sana it means ngina na seito torkesi obongo isibodo kana bodula beta ya utongi na bono seuta o seutu ke Amina. Na cheka tu ya tutosi meje tu bi gaje na ije.
Aya bas. Akisikulo.
Otyo mo no.
Imo kuna. Akirono yesabili akirono.
Yesabili no akira no ngani kiti. Nesi tungalo konye.
Yebo.
Akuyu DS.
Yebo. Akoroka na ngakina okay na rotoma apa na nalulo. Akona kiro no awasha agongero no vela. Ikamana kile mitana moni owailo iswa maile ngano koto mairabet. Ipona kiro ni jana kinekes kile poli na kinatari aituporo atekero woko.
Alama ya katomo ya kotoma kemare kada kupete kada bitete TVs. Akotoma kemare waila ito jokari gara ito jok assessment na hansalina mamerono. Kwenye bala kwa kisai ito jokari tete nare esindo when you jokape agwe kinto ni tunga. Ite yo beje nare tunga ni dukato sijua na mame sesenete nisoma iga kwa ite yo nabe jipe ni monitoring ya ijoni so jipe ni natupa kidit. Kati nukono ubansa na pana nisi nara itikere kakwinu ijuku nete jo aye monitoring abeteni akuruto amoya ijayai ijaitogo ijago ikini so inera ibara be nara ipostairere assessment ne hansa boy opatana ti like how often used to do that protocol recommended care protocol apedoreta bunera field that I didn't know so my protocol field know so my opolo new programs projects doing right to basic tuna tetaria it's just like assessment with someone no scenario about practicals 40 out of 100 then the other the real one 60 out of 100 don't know any more in the yare now you cannot mark big as of these 100 over 100 you see they go people actually people you it marking at the people don't you know about akwa tata no akwa cheka kitende Dumute nero kwenye loto jola hiyo consequence. Be dumuto polo ka mambi ndi muno polo tali mudane jara yi obukuke. Be ina era kwa tata makwata. So you actually divide activities of the MPs or constituencies where they do oversight kada their personal projects. Oyanga suna makesini akaisa uni. The body when they do appropriation maybe I tell some committees yanga se committees da akaisa uni do enero to go yanga no say akaisa ngon mero do ta kwatata so that now you assess them na enero to go 40 out of 100 ojenyo bido fana morena maximum ya do muto constituency ke opolo that ya akaisare akaisa uni 20 over 30 mori no spa na kapila ije dogo like committees maybe 10 out of 30 or muni bono ya average. So that should be our recommendation to these assessments of AP. Now I tell you, mami peratabe. And the other actually very photos I can assure you use now. I think that name is even still there. Mami, era game musician away. Era na remember. Angata nata mamengaji muto yokoda ba. Ma sete je kadeke voters on. De binasa kwa na kwata. Neno muna yerupi. Ona iboya mata bija wende kasimu. And for them, that is what they want. So we need to balance. Neremo, Ojakwa, the Martinetoni Quada, Martinetoni, now committees are young united on the leader. Doko Jalu is very active committee because someone is technical. I say on a committee of maybe your background going training at you. Some are doctors, some are lawyers, like we said, some are forces, economics, accountants. So those your committee that is relevant to your discipline. So that you can contribute a lot in that committee. So a person who never could really come out of an leadership management why? Because you have it on your fingertips. It never will become an economics, not a mountain and you find you add value in that committee, in that report, every person to go. Now I tell you to go to my paraka no your area.
Honorable Violet. Honorable Polot. Nukon no washa camera tele eneo to my rabbit. Korona ni pia very haki kwa adeva kanyoni mtu mkali package.
Ponele kama na kwenye na araba Apolo konyo na jana na kutono ni na di partner ma kutono ne jana kutono na ra i subjects we ko we ne ro ka me the ribo action governance economic security economic development do ma action di be local bunye action do go kina so partner di bana da experience mo ka asoma plan so on the department if you check because many people know the public service so like one area na ngeke ko yeo na soma no IGG so ya lo somo defense so ya somo internal affairs but you have combination pole combination because internal affairs more do ko so like IGG ni sio departments dove con la difesa delle speciali so che quello per ana giocare ci hanno di vita che qua so le delle più e la crone va davanti con il che sai con vai e ne e hai già una usione con noi e na con una usione e avete quello acqua so e tu ma caro buco canimo perché sei bene con le pani sono sessi e poi che adesso parla sipo akro kere sunne da den sai do kindo pak do je ban assessment da wo ne kare do be da ta sawa ne e sun do bi ko je sunne de kan ni de mangor ke ke non ma sa do to yi bi do na so bi ko ne ro mun de na ni ka lo ya de mun a ko kere ko lo be 100% da ni tu so kada do ko ne pate ke no je so karuna inye si amopini kini boniki IDG luche narai ngondo betauni irani li jukunta kwa na aitu lulikini ngondo bekutola subamani aso koni tugunyo o laine che dai crossing lo jaga le IDG che bilati yuka ja IDG kinje adokiske orang ka kolona tiyo tore in atrake a Yosefu iti Yosefu dai mai ner ma blasi misiri kumbe ni nani sabe tore Yosefu amuna ayona kesi so ko ya to katani baje bitije ti twanana ko jo ta para ya re mo ka lo ya mu bi twani ne se je ngale ale bi da ya ko dai ka ne si ya no kudu ko yo ngi e ko la la so ne ti mo ki twani ye pan ko ye kunze ko le ha na yu ni do so ko le ko na ka ni leji e o beji tuna ni na ka na ka o ngi ka ka le so le ni do misi kisi so na so ni mo ki kena biro ja se me ata le na wa sha ni e ko ka mu ja re ni biro jo ko ra ni ba na so na le jo ni ko le to ko di so ba le di
ya lo no
ama ya kaite amya kama de mala tunalo kata pi mala te sinoi tenia kumtindo wo na paidi ben na paina prate na ko ro mutugara jore na raisi atro ni koromojo pono re munai chedo no skonye sirido i boiki na iboiki e tamta re muna tipina wa mtu kwa pana koloro na raisi kile tenge indi kata kile tenge akolio tinyama kada edo ula buko pana ajeno wapuganira ya utasomeke perute na anyu milumuni ya iwara na ipuda anwanyu mbe iwaru situnga kalikeche bareni nyako tamala na sikere teninu enera ya sala ito simoro kikina ija anweta kabinete da ba sala ito simoro kikina wampe niko ta anyu mbe mkuro sako mamu minera ulina washa kota ijaro jai isilumu na jogu mbe taka nunanere so temari babo mwina seo meredi tunga kim benare baka bomo kina seo should be a do or die. Maminera washa na kwa teni pelore jana na tekero kwa shole gela. Asala ito sira ipei isda ko tay lipi yo nyaraw ne isda ko tay ram yo nyaraw ne ram peso peso yala masale da yala sala miti no na ponere bo sala miti no na ponere bo shane tora ko te kere para shane tora ko te kere para misho
yala mano yo ko foyalta na kola yala mano yo rabe foyalta te na kola rabe bana rabe ko takte yala ma hospital ko se computer le yala ma ko se computer le ko kiti tunga na ka ndara na yala no mishoni yala ro kere no mishoni seseno kere I Jordan seseno Mama umishira kere ara inuseshu program kalo eras kitu au mission ara yetu television kalo
That I've been so stupid. Don't say that.
Do you want to tell me about your ex-boyfriend?
He said he only beat me because he wanted to make me a better person.
I need to borrow some money. How much are we talking about?
100 million.
What?
It's not easy to get over the loss of someone you love. But whatever you choose to do, you need to do it carefully.
I believed him at first. I never feel so foolish nowadays. I want to lose down my place.
Dr. Busho,
Why will they do that? This is expired. I don't want.
Stinty can help.
No, Monica.
We have ordered them to clear the establishment and seize all the properties. And the social is finished. Out.
Why whispering?
Thank you.